In the dimly lit workshop of a Japanese craftsman, every tool is precious. But for many around the world, the toolbox would be incomplete without Makita's iconic blue-green tools, a brand born not just from innovation, but from a uniquely Japanese service spirit. This is the story of Makita, a company whose journey mirrors the rise of Japan's global philosophy, blending technology, unwavering support, and a hint of tradition. Makita's origins trace back to 1915, where the company first carved its existence repairing motors. Post-war Japan faced tough times, and Makita, too, fell on hard conditions, teetering on the brink of collapse. The turning point arrived in 1958. Desperate for revival, Makita designed and released Japan's first portable electric planer. This tool wasn't merely a new product, it challenged the very pride of Japanese carpenters. Kazuo, an experienced craftsman, voiced the prevailing sentiment of his peers. To him, planing wood was the soul of his craftsmanship and artistry, a personal skill honed over decades. Using a machine, he scoffed, is an insult to tradition. But soon, the tide shifted. Kazuo and many others watched as hours of manual labor shrank to minutes. The electric planer achieved uniform results at an unmatched pace. Skepticism gave way to amazement, and craftsmen, even the most stubborn, began embracing Makita's revolutionary tool. Despite its steep price, equivalent to a craftsman's monthly wage, it became a must-have. This bold innovation transformed Makita from a mere motor repair shop to a cutting-edge power tool manufacturer. Yet, Makita's leap wasn't just about technology. It was about unwavering commitment to those whose livelihoods depended on their tools. In every corner of the world, Makita's after-sales service became legendary. The company adopted the 3-day repair system internationally. If a tool broke, Makita ensured it would be restored and returned within 3 days. For millions of professionals, this meant one simple thing: their paychecks wouldn't halt because their tools broke. Even in distant workshops in the US or bustling sites in Europe, craftsmen marveled at this rapid, efficient response, a distinctly Japanese dedication to customer support. Across 130 nations, Makita's service ethic remains a lifeline, binding professionals to the brand. For the workers in remote construction sites, the knowledge that their Makita tool could be swiftly fixed meant less anxiety and more work done. Over time, this service became Makita's biggest competitive advantage, winning loyalty beyond product performance. As Makita's tools spread worldwide, their unique color became a symbol. That unmistakable blue-green hue, a vivid splash in a dusty, chaotic construction site, was deliberately chosen for visibility and professional image. Today, whether in a rainy London backyard or a sun-drenched Australian build, the color means only one thing: reliability. Professionals everywhere instantly recognize Makita Blue, a mark of trust and quality. But Makita doesn't rest on tradition alone. In the modern era, their ecosystem of battery compatibility has revolutionized workplaces. One sturdy battery can power hundreds of devices, from impact drivers to lawnmowers, from vacuum cleaners to, astonishingly, coffee makers and microwaves.